Good evening, friends. Welcome to Spider e-learning. I am Santosh Kumar Shetty from Spider Software. I am a technical analyst come trader from last 12 years. Through this video, I want to educate the capital market participants and the technical analysis viewers how technical analysis can be simplified and standardized to generate consistent returns, whatever be the trading objective which is designed to participate in the market. This can be visualized by viewing my understanding the trading setup of WSR, which is weekly swing rally setup. Through this setup, a trader can able to generate very few limited stocks, can focus on those stocks to generate returns in the next week of trading session. This video is add on to my previous video of WSR setup. In this video, we'll discuss about the performance of the last 2 weeks using this setup. Before going towards the further on technicalities, let us have the snapshot of discussion what exactly setup is, how this setup is been designed and how this setup is going to fulfill the objective of the trader. Trader can filter the stocks in advance for next week by running this setup in the technical query using Spider software. This technical query is automated, which can generate report on every Friday or last day of the week. The return of the movement can be expected with the setup would be in the range of 5%. When markets are in a trending, certain stocks can perform towards 10%. The USP of the setup is that the trader can plan their trades proactively with limited stocks with a very low risk and high returns. The setup is having the good performance and success ratio is also very good. By following toward next video, you can understand. This generally suits for a generating returns in the FNO instruments. Let us go towards the technicality of this setup. In my previous video, we have been discussed on the weekly charts of what the calls has been generated on 27th August, how it got performed in the week of 27th August 3rd September. Now in this video, we will discuss the performance of the 3rd September generated stocks and 9th September generated stocks using this setup. As we know in the Spider software, the present candle should be 0. We are going to analyze and interpret the stocks which has been filtered using this query on the 3rd September weekly candle. It means it is 0, 1, 2, 2 bars back. So I am keeping the offset 2 here. I am going to setting script synchronization. I am running this query in the FNO stocks, future continuous near month 175 stocks. On 3rd September 2021, this stocks is been filtered on the last trading day of the week. After 3rd September, the regular markets run from 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, Friday, Saturday was holiday. So these stocks we got scanned. Let us evaluate how to take a performance of the stocks and how can be entered, how can we take the entry confirmation. Through this setup, a trader has to view majorly 3 important points. One is its previous 3 days high in the daily chart, or previous 3 days low, or 3 days ranging with equivalent close. These are the important things that you need to see in the daily chart. Let us go to Grasim. In the daily chart, 3rd September, the Grasim was closed on 1516. On 6th, on the Monday, the Grasim has broken its previous 3 days high. Then after got a huge rally from 1520 to 1620. HDFC, 3rd September, Friday, it was 2768. On Monday, the HDFC has not broken 3 days high, but it has broken the 3 days low. Whenever the stock broken the 3 days low in the intraday, during the closing, the stock is above its previous close, or after 2 p.m. it's above its previous close, they can build the position. The stock has performed from 2750 to 3130 in the last 10 sessions. ITC, the ITC 3rd September weekly closing was 211. If I am going to daily chart, the 3rd September, before it was purely ranging. On 4th September, on 6th September, the stock has tested nearer to its previous 3 days low. If you go towards the 60 minutes chart of the ITC of the 6th September, there was a 4 inside bars and the closing was nearer to its previous low. A trader, if he build the position on next day after this high breakout, we have seen the huge rally in the ITC. Kotak Mahindra Bank, 3rd September closing was 1722. 7th, on Tuesday, it has tested its previous 3 days low and got huge rally. Sun Pharma, 3rd September closing was 790. 3rd September, it has broken its previous 3 days low, but the closing was below its previous day's low. We haven't take position. In the next day also, it has not broken its previous day's high. So we are not going to build any position in Sun Pharma. So the entry is not confirmed. The viewers have clearly seen how the stocks got performed in the next 3 to 5 sessions after running this query. Now let us have a view on the next week, which is ending on 9th September. I'm running the query with offset 1. These are the stocks we got shortlisted. Indus India, 9th September closing was 999, and the daily chart after 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th were holidays. 13th the market started. 13th, the previous 3 candles lows were ranging and almost near. Whenever the 3 candles lows are nearer, the trader can easily build a position on this closing. Continuous rally, the stock was performed more than 20%. L&T, 9th September closing was 1661. On 13th, on Monday, it made a lower low and successfully closed above its previous day's close. Around 2 o'clock, we can build a position. The stock has been risen more than 7 to 8%. Siemens 2236 was the closing of September 9th. In the next session, the stock has not broken its previous 3 days high or 3 days low. Here also it has not broken. In this session, the stock has made a new low on 15th and the closing was below its previous day's close. So we cannot be able to build a position here in the Siemens. The entry is not confirmed based on daily chart. Sun Pharma 9 September closing was 776. 13th September the closing was 781. It is been above its previous 3 days. It is not above the previous 3 days high, it is above the previous 3 days high in this market. So trader can build a position in this market, but the stock is not performed for next 3 days. He can come out with small stop loss. The viewers with this video have seen that how they can able to plan a trades and make their analysis more simplified by using Spider software. This query has been built purely based upon the monthly and weekly congestions through price action. For any further queries on this video, you can contact us. Thanking you for watching this video.